Hi everyone, it's me Lornick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, magbibuild daw siya ng bahay, guys. Okay. So are you building a house?
Nope.
Oh.
It's a building.
Building? Wow. So giant building?
Yeah.
Wow, so big. Look at that. It's already 3 layer. You can put in a side too. Make more. You have lots of magnet more.
The door is right here.
Okay, where's the window?
There's lots of windows.
Okay. Oh, it's a big one now. Look at that.
4 floors.
4 floors now. Wow. Look at that, guys. Magbibuild daw siya ng building.
5 floors. Almost 6 floors.
Yeah. Wow.
It fell.
It fell already. Look at that. It's too tall. Don't make so tall. You put it aside too. Put it aside.
It's all. Oh.
Oh, yeah, put it inside so it's not gonna fall. If it's too tall, then it's single, then it's gonna fall.
It's like a shoe.
Oh, yeah? We'll hold it. So it's not gonna fall.
This is. And.
Wow, look at that. How many? 2, 4, 5. 5 floors. Wow, amazing. Tallest building ever.
Make it fall. Maybe we can move it here.
Wow, look, can I see it? Wow, it's a big one. It's a giant. It's a guy inside the beaver. Fat beaver. Fat beaver. Yeah. What is that?
It do it all by itself.
Oh yeah? Okay, show me. Oh yeah, it's a magnet. That's why they call magnets. They can together. It's like a magic, right?
So no hands.
Okay, put everything.
This is like a rainbow.
Go find all your magnets. You have tons of magnets, I guess. Okay, go find your
No,
magnets.
only at Nana's house I do.
You don't have no more here? You have lots here too. Go find in the box. Okay guys, si Bulilit mag-build siya ng... What are you building?
A dog.
Okay. That's a magnet, right? Okay, show them how you build the magnets. Madami siyang magnet guys dito. Wow, look at that guys.
No.
Wow, fast too. You're building a dog? Wow, amazing. That is a magnet, right?
A man and a dog.
Oh, you drop there? Be careful the plant.
Done.
Let me see. I cannot see. Is a dog already? Oh, It's like a house. It's like apartment house.
No, it's a dog.
So dog, where's the head? Did you put the head? Put the head down there. What is this there? You build? Is a house? Wow, amazing.
The dog.
Oh,
You have a dog, and it goes in there.
put beside then. Beside your dog. Wow, amazing. That's all? Your ladder? Okay, show mommy how you make a ladder. Wow, you can build everything, eh?
I can build.
The magnet. What's that called? Magnets? Nicholas?
It called magnet.
Magnet toys?
Almost to the bottom.
Let's go in the floor.
You're going up it.
Mm-hmm. That's all?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys. Sige, lilit nag-build siya ng what's that now?
Mommy is there.
Oh yeah, where's mommy there?
I'm gonna do.
Uh-oh, it's falling. I don't touch it.
Sometimes it breaks.
Oh, it's okay. So guys, magbibuild tayo ng flower.
I want you to make the biggest flower ever.
Yeah, okay, thank you. We'll build the biggest flower daw, guys. Sabi ni Bolilet. Magbibuild tayo ng
I
bulaklak.
want you to make a rose.
Okay, rose. Rose.
I'm back. I was back in 1 minute. Oh. Ah.
You can build. You can build. Dapat kita po tayo ng letras.
Petition is over.
Petition is over? What's that? Competition is over?
That means building is over.
Oh yeah, mommy takes so long?
Yeah.
Ay. Mommy takes so long, guys. Nicholas ay the winner. Okay, we'll show you now, guys. That's all I built.
You lose.
What is that? Like a star.
You lose.
You are funny.
Sorry, you